Hey everyone, welcome back to the English Learner Podcast. I'm Anna, and today we're talking about one of my favorite topics ever, our favorite places, the spots that make us feel calm, happy, inspired, or just excited to be alive. And honestly, just thinking about them makes me smile already.
And I'm Tom, and I have to agree, Anna, this topic is one of my favorites too, because whenever I think about the places I love, I can almost feel myself there instantly, and I think everyone listening right now has at least one place that gives them that same warm, happy feeling.
Absolutely, and it can be anywhere, big or small, near or far, as long as it gives you that good feeling. So Tom, let's start simple. Tell me one place that you really love.
One of my absolute favorites is the riverside near my old neighborhood. It's quiet, simple, there are benches, ducks swimming in the water, and I go there just to walk slowly, think, and watch the sky change colors.
That sounds so peaceful. I love riversides too, and I like going to parks where I can sit on the grass, read a book, or just watch kids and dogs running around.
Yeah, and sometimes I bring headphones, sometimes I don't, and just listen to the world. People chatting, birds singing, the leaves rustling. It's like the world slows down for a while.
Speaking of outdoors, one of my favorite places is a cycling trail near the city. It goes through trees, little hills, and even a short ride feels like a mini adventure. The air feels fresh and light.
That's amazing. I love cycling too. It makes you feel like you're traveling somewhere new, even if you're still close to home.
And I also love the big library downtown, not just for books, but because of the atmosphere, the quiet, the soft chairs, sunlight streaming through huge windows, and that calm feeling of being somewhere safe.
Yes, I love libraries too. Sometimes I just sit there sketching or planning my week or watching people quietly, everyone focused in their own little world.
And I love noticing the small things, the sound of pages turning, soft footsteps, even people whispering. It all adds to that peaceful vibe.
Another favorite place is the night market, especially the ones with long rows of food stalls, lights everywhere, and people moving about. It's noisy, but in a good, lively way.
I love night markets. I like walking slowly, tasting little snacks, exploring stalls, and sometimes buying little things I don't even need.
And watching people too, families eating together, kids running around, couples holding hands, it makes the atmosphere so lively.
And the smell of food. I always get hungry walking through a night market, even if I already had dinner. Somehow I end up buying 3 different things I didn't plan to.
Another place I enjoy is the seaside, especially early in the morning. It's quiet, the waves are soft, the sand is cool under your feet, and everything feels calm and refreshing.
Beaches in the morning are magical. I love walking along the shore, picking up shells, feeling the water on my toes, and watching the sunrise slowly change the sky.
I also love little hidden cafes with wooden tables, soft music, and warm lights, not crowded, where you can sit for hours reading, thinking, or just watching people go by.
I love those too, especially when they have plants and small decorations. It feels personal and cozy, like a friend's living room.
Sometimes quiet bus rides at night are my favorite too. Sitting by the window, watching streetlights, people walking, imagining everyone's story, where they're going, what they're thinking.
That's interesting, but I get it. Nighttime travel feels reflective and calm, almost like you're part of someone else's movie.
In balconies, sitting with a cup of tea or coffee, looking at city lights or stars, feeling the world big but calm.
Balconies are magical, especially in the evening when the air is cool and everything feels soft.
Honestly, supermarkets can even be favorite places, especially big ones with wide aisles where you can walk slowly, explore, and discover new foods.
I love wandering through colorful aisles, seeing new snacks, pretending I'm planning a fancy meal, and ending up with things I didn't need.
Libraries, cafes, riversides, cycling trails, rooftops, night markets, beaches, parks, balconies, supermarkets, they all hold little pieces of life that make them special.
And childhood places are unforgettable too, like alleys, playgrounds, grandparents' houses, corners in your schoolyard that held so many memories.
Exactly. They carry stories, laughter, quiet moments, adventures, and just thinking about them feels warm.
Oh, and I forgot one, botanical gardens. I love walking slowly among flowers and trees, watching butterflies, smelling the plants. feeling like time is standing still.
Botanical gardens are incredible. I like noticing details, the colors, textures, the way the sunlight filters through leaves, and just sitting on a bench feeling like I'm in a little secret world.
And zoos, I know it sounds silly, but I love watching animals, seeing the little behaviors, laughing at the silly things they do, and feeling connected to nature in a small way.
Zoos are fun. I always watch penguins because they waddle in the funniest way, or otters because they're playful, and it makes me smile no matter how tired I am.
And flea markets, the excitement of discovering unique things, bargaining a little, exploring different stalls, and seeing all the strange items people sell. It's like an adventure.
Oh yes, flea markets are amazing, especially on weekends. I love finding old books, funny trinkets, handmade crafts, and even just watching the crowds is interesting.
And amusement parks are perfect too, even if I don't go on rides. I love the music, the colors, the smell of popcorn, the laughter everywhere. It feels joyful.
Yes, amusement parks bring out the kid in everyone. Even people who don't like rides enjoy walking around, seeing shows, eating cotton candy.
And rooftops are another favorite, especially at sunset. Sitting there with the view of the city, feeling the breeze, and watching the sky change colors.
Rooftops are nice, sometimes with friends, sometimes alone, just feeling that moment where everything slows down.
And little alleys with colorful walls or street art, walking through them feels like exploring a secret part of the city, discovering hidden beauty.
Street art alleys are fun. I always stop and take pictures, noticing details I'd miss otherwise.
And train stations, not the busy ones, but quiet stations at night, watching people leave, arrive, waiting for the next train, imagining their stories, where they're going, what they're thinking.
That's interesting, but I get it. Nighttime travel feels reflective and calm, almost like you're part of someone else's movie.
Rooftop cafes, old theaters, small libraries, flower shops, ice cream parlors, swimming pools, rivers, hiking trails, skate parks, community gardens, local gyms, art galleries, quiet streets, music stores, bakeries, comic book shops, yoga studios. There are so many places that feel like magic depending on the day and your mood.
And everyone has at least a few of these places. Some are big, some are tiny, but they all make us feel something special. And it's fun to remember them.
And for everyone listening, we'd love to hear about your favorite places too. Tell us the funny moments, the quiet moments, the special memories.
Comment, share your stories, tell us why those places matter to you. We really love reading them.
And if you enjoy spending time with us today, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends who are learning English.
Your support helps the show grow and allows us to bring more fun conversations to you every time.
Thank you so much for being here. Thank you for listening, and thank you for being part of this English learning family.
And wherever your favorite place is, we hope you get to visit it again soon and make even more memories.
See you in the next episode.
Bye, everyone.